It's Studio Sims 101, and I'm going to show you what I got today. First, I got the charcoal cat. It's so cute. I love it. It's adorable. And I am going to name it Fiona. Yeah. Here's its tag. You guys saw it. And then I got And then I got the little Ken's bullfrog. It's so cute. I'm gonna name it Sammy. And whatever, just put that there. The tag. Oh, the tag. So those are the Kens I got today. Bye.